Hello, here's how to create a campaign in Wappwavez. First, click on Campaign. Then, select Create New Campaign. After that, choose your desired template and select an image. Next, content with the first name, campaign title. Don't forget to select a group or contact. You can also schedule the campaign by clicking on Schedule Campaign. Confirm by clicking Yes and then OK. You should see the contact name displayed along with delivered messages, total reads, and totals filed. Refresh the page to check the delivered message status. Thank you for joining us.